Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we discuss about what is health insurance and how does it works. So let's start the video. First of all, you click on your browser. When you click your browser, this page will be opened. You just click in the search bar and search what is health insurance. When you search, the website page will be opened. You just click in this website, health insurance meaning and types. When you click this website, the page will be opened. What is health insurance, its meaning and types. Health insurance is a type of insurance that cover medical expenses that arises to an illness. These expenses could be health related hospitalization, cost of medicines, a doctor of consultation fees. Types of health insurance. There are two basic types of health insurance, Mediclaim plans and circular illness insurance plans. Mediclaim or hospitalization plans are the most basic type of health insurance plans. They cover the cost of treatment when you are admitted in the hospital. They pay are made for an actual expenses incurred for your hospital and submitting original bills. Most of these plans cover for your entire families up to a certain limits. Critical illness insurance plan. Critical illness insurance plans that cover the specific life-threatening disease, and these are disease could be required for the prolonged treatment or over the change in your lifestyle. Unlike hospitalization plans, the pay for your made and critical illness covers the chosen for you have to customer or not actual expenses incurred in the hospital. The cover gives the flexibility to use the means and the changing for lifestyles and medicals. It is also have to substitute the income of your time and could not resume the work due to illness. Payout under these are plans to make your diagnosis for our disease and which are original medical bills are not required. Why do you need to health insurance now? No one plans of the fail and fall in ill to get your hurt, but are the serious illness can strike anyone to any time. The cost of your treating the illness causes for the survive financial strain and the serving of your accumulated over time. This means that you might be have to a compromise to providing your children and best quality education of defaulting on your home and loan payments. Today, the cost of medical treatment is continuously rising. How chosen a good health insurance plans? Anybody who has a health insurance policy will be have to a hospitalization experience or settle as hospitals bills via to the cashless facilities, which is the critical illness insurance plan. You will be have to receive a lump sum payout and uh, on the detection sum payout and the critical illness. You don't have to be in hospitalization for the same. If you have to unable for work because of illness, then you can be use the amount of your substitute for your monthly income. You can even use of the monthly to cover expenses for doctor visit, medicines purchase, medical test or other expenses that might be have to arises during to this time. This is why you have to need the both of Mediclaim plans to cover that your hospitalization expenses and critical illness insurance plans to cover your losses and income to other expenses that arises due to illness. What thing are you covered for under the hospitalization benefit in the health insurance? The hospitalization benefit under health insurance is covered for expenses such as room rent, ambulance cost of surgery, doctor's fees, medicines, and more. It is also refers to cashless hospitalization at network hospitals and covers the per and for your post-hospitalization expenses. What do you mean that the pre and post hospitalization expenses in health insurance plans? Pre hospitalization expenses are medical costs are incurred before you have to get admitted in the hospital for treatment. This is can include the ambulance cost, medicines, medical tests, and other expenses. Post of hospitalization expenses or medical cost you have to incur after an discharge from the hospital. This can be include the medical flow up, nurses care, medicines and other expenses. Both these are the types of expenses are covered under the health insurance plan. In the third number, what is the meaning of waiting period and health insurance plan? When you have to buy a health insurance plan, there is the waiting period that the policy is precede the plan. During to the waiting period, you are covered against only some illness as per as your plan. Not all the waiting of period can be lost for your years and health insurance policies in. Can I buy a separate health plan for my parents and spouses? Yes, you can buy a separate health insurance for your parents and spouses. You can be custom or health insurance or plan considering the needs for your spouses. For parents, it is suggested that you will be have to OPT senior citizens health insurance plan and secure their futures.